Students, in this class we are discussing about Islam religion. In this religion also one of the important religion, we can see most of the peoples they following by in this religion. Okay, now in that Islam religion is established in Arabia. Is we can see Arabia is a peninsula of West Asia. Peninsular means we all are knowing three sides is covered by water, one side, one part is covered by land. In that part for we are calling as a peninsula. In that lake of Arabia also one of the important peninsula. In that place only Islam religion established. Okay, next one point. We can see in that Arabia is not a suitable place or land for agriculture. In that Arabia fully we can say as a desert region, so that is not a suitable for cultivation. So peoples where they getting water a suitable land, in that place only most of the peoples they lived in that particular Arabian country peoples. Okay, these like of two important places, one is Mecca, another one is Medina. In the two places only most of the Arabian peoples they live in Mecca and Medina, because of in that place only they are getting water plus suitable land for agriculture. Before that, before established of Islam religion, how the lifestyle of peoples, how they worshipped by God. Okay, in that time, in beginning of Arabians, which are the things they worshipped? Here are given one by one. First one is stones, second one is trees, next one coming streams. They worshipped by in that three part only. One is stone, second one is trees, third one is streams. These three only they believed as a god. They worshipped. Okay, next afterwards, and the Kaaba also, they believed that Kaaba is one of the important place, and they believed that this is a religion holy place, religious holy place. That like only they all are believed, Islam peoples. Okay, now we want to discuss. I already said before established of Islam religion, peoples how they lived and what was the practice did, you all are understood. Now we want to discuss about how this one Islam religion established or who is the founder, what was the lifestyle of that particular person. That only we are discussing in this class. Okay, first of all, now who is the founder of in that religion? Founder of Islam religion is Muhammad Paigambar, Prophet Muhammad Paigambar. He is born in 570 CE, means Common Era. In that place he born. His father name is Abdullah, mother name Amina. But when he is very small, in that time only father and mother both also died. Who took care for Muhammad Paigambar? His uncle. When he took care, after that he went to different regions for purpose of business. Example, here they given two important places. First one is Mecca, second one is Syria. In the two places also he traveled the purpose of business. Before that, what he did work? He did work as a shepherd. Because of I already said in that area is not suitable for agriculture purpose. So most of the peoples they following by only one work or one occupation, that is shepherd. The peoples also become as a shepherd. Okay, next when his uncle took care, he become growth. Afterwards he become as a businessman. He traveled Mecca and Syria. Not only this one, next when he went Mecca and Syria, in Mecca he introduced himself as a one of the important widow women, rich women. Women name is Khatija. She was one of the important business lady. When both also they met, after that Muhammad Paigambar married by Khatija and settled in Mecca. After that, I already said both also businessmen. After that, Muhammad Paigambar he traveled overall in Middle Asia. When he went Middle Asia, he saw one of the important new religion is developing in that particular area, that religion name is Christianity. When he saw, he also thought that our people also, they are not getting any practice, or they don't know how to worship the God, and they don't know what was the status we want to give to others. They don't know. He thinking that I want to solve the solutions of our peoples, Arabian peoples. What was the problems they facing? I want to solve. So after that, he came back to Mecca and he started to meditation to the God. What was the social changes I want to do in our society or our peoples? That about only he started meditation. When he started meditation, after he got enlightenment of the God, when he got enlightenment of the God, he started to preach to Arabian peoples. Okay, when he started to preach, all are believing he is a messenger of God. He is saying not his own words, he is saying what is God giving message, that only he is saying to for us. So they give a name as a Muhammad Paigambar, people's prophet. Prophet means messenger of God. That like of name they peoples they given to Muhammad Paigambar. After that, some of the members they become as a followers, means disciples. These peoples, what Muhammad Paigambar told to the peoples, means common peoples in Arabian places, what he told, they recorded, they maintained in one book. In that book only now also Islam religion peoples believing as a holy book. That book name is Quran. After that, when he started preaching in Mecca, after the enlightenment, when he started to preaching in Mecca, some of the peoples, they did not agree the teachings of Muhammad Paigambar. They opposed. What is Muhammad Paigambar saying? This is that all fake. That is not truth. He is not a messenger of God. There some of the members they opposed, and some of the members they waiting. If you get any chance, we want to kill that particular person. So he also understood Muhammad Paigambar. He escaped Mecca to he traveled Mecca to Medina in the year of 622 CE Common Era. In that place or in that incident, Islam religion peoples as mentioned as one of the important day, that is they are calling as a Hijra era. When he traveled Muhammad Paigambar Mecca to Medina, in that place or in that incident only they are calling as a Hijra era. Means they mentioned in calendar, in that time only they are following their own dates. Next, afterwards, when this like of incident happened, afterwards he went to Mecca to Medina. He started teaching in Medina. There are so many people, they are attracted by his teachings and they converted to Islam religion. What he said, that like only they also followed by that particular people, they followed by, they also that only lifestyle. They adapted that only practice. After that, when Medina and Mecca, both also they started war. When the struggle started, Medina defeated by Mecca. When Medina defeated by Mecca, Mecca came under by Medina. So Muhammad Paigambar now got the chance. He once again came back to Mecca and started to preaching about Islam religion. So people now accepted by Muhammad Paigambar teachings, and all the Mecca peoples and Medina peoples, both also they converted in Islam religion. After that, not only in Mecca and Medina, overall Arab region also they converted or they attracted by Muhammad Paigambar teachings. After that, Muhammad Paigambar he died in 630 CE. 632 CE Common Era. In that time, Muhammad Paigambar died. These only major points about Muhammad Paigambar, prophet of Muhammad Paigambar. Okay, next class we have to discuss about what was the teachings of Muhammad Paigambar, how this religion is spread over all the world, and what was the contribution they given to the world. That only we can discuss in next class. Okay, bye.